Good afternoon.
Hi, it's Steve.
And Marcus.
We are the RV Ninjas, located in Brownfield, Texas. Bailey Toliver RV, and we're proud to show you a brand new floor plan, 2025 Keystone.
Well, you know, I told you the other day we had 25s coming in every day, and this is the perfect example. Not only is it a 2025, it's a brand new floor plan. You got to really look at this. Comes with my standard amenities like the power tongue jack,
two propane
propane tanks, got my battery up front. My favorite thing, the tankless water heater. Careful of the outside of the furnace, that's a little warm there.
Look at this. Griddle.
Yeah, but let me tell you something about this griddle.
Got the quick disconnect
Quick
if you want to use
down
something
on the bottom,
else.
so real easy to do it.
You got the capital griddle. You've got the contour refrigerator in its own compartment. This is just so cool.
You know, sit out here under this awning like this. You got the grill going. You got access to your cold beverages right there in the refrigerator. I mean, what else would you like to have? Solid surface steps. Again, making it easier to get in and out. The extra large grab handle.
Step above, yep, I like it.
Step up. So,
set up for a ladder if you so want it. Spare tire. You've got, over here, you've got the cable or satellite if you're going to use it. Right, so
if that's set up for a ladder, I'm assuming that is a fully walkable roof.
It is indeed. Fully walk. Look at this storage over here. Since you don't have the storage up in the front, you've got it over here. And there you see the 50 amp power cord in there.
50 amp, I'm willing to bet this has probably got 2 air conditioners.
Outdoor shower, fresh tank fill, city water connection, black tank flush.
Man, growing up, we had to use that stupid wand you stuck down in the toilet. I sure like having those things right there. Man, this is nice, Steve.
I'm liking this.
I was looking for the table, but then I see that right there. Nice little place to pull up, sit down, have something to eat.
Check out these new
I like
strip
these
lights.
LED lights.
Yeah.
Late AC system.
Nice and cool in here.
It is very cool in here.
Look at all that counter space, though. That's unbelievable stuff. You have just got a ton of stuff.
And it is solid surface.
Yes, indeed.
And then when you look down underneath, I got plenty of storage. This is not like this deep. This thing goes all the way into here. The 3 drawers, one for maybe your larger skillets, pots, pans, microwave down below.
That's also an air fryer.
It is an air fryer.
And what else is it?
1.1 cubic feet, not 0.9.
It's also a convection oven.
It is a convection oven as well. Overhead vent, so I can get all the stuff out when I'm cooking. Nice cabinet area all over. Solid wood door. Got solid wood doors on them, not the old pressed wood with the wallpaper and everything, and that's on all of them. Nice undermount sink.
Yeah.
Residential style spray one. More storage underneath. You know, you're always looking for a place to keep your trash can. There you go. And this one's got
trifold sleeper sofa.
Yeah, but my favorite thing over here, I
12
do like to eat the 12 volt direct current refrigerator. I can put some ice cream up in there. I got lots of food I can put in there.
Plus it's cold in about an hour.
It's very, very cold.
All day long on an old RV one.
And like you said, the trifold sofa. Look at all that.
That is mega pantry space with magnets.
You know what I like? It's magnets, yeah. It's not just little pull catches anymore. Very nice.
In-floor heat. Got your sliding type door going into a bathroom. It's split. You've got shower, toilet, vanity, mirror, medicine cabinet. A lot of people are leaving medicine cabinets out. Plenty of room for any type of linens and things like that in here. Then here's something a little bit different. You got another slide out. You got a queen bed inside a slide out over here. Second air conditioner.
I'm telling you what, it's pretty dadgum cold in here.
Lots of hanging closet space, much more than normal.
Look at this right here. Got a nice little desk where I can pull up, do a little work, all my stuff. You know, if you work from home, this would be a great place to do.
Yeah. Right here. Plus, if you're entertainment, it's all set up with the key TV for a TV up top.
Mount your bracket up top, so you don't have to leave it sitting on the counter, so I'm not leaving any part of my desk.
And is there any storage under this bed? We saw it from the outside. Look at that.
You can access, obviously, like you can see from the outside.
Both ways. Super. I love this trailer, Marcus.
I do too.
Thank you for looking at this fantastic new Springdale.
I hope you like it as much as I do.
I'm digging on it. But anyway, Bailey Toliver RV Brownfield. I'm Steve.
I'm Marcus.
And together, we are the RV Ninjas.